Hey, beautiful people! Welcome back to a Made Wellness Hub. If oily skin has been your constant struggle, I see you, I hear you, and I've got just the solutions for you today. In this video, I'll be sharing the best natural remedies to help you say goodbye to that unwanted shine and hello to a healthy, balanced glow. Ready to unlock your skin's full potential? Let's dive in. Dealing with oily skin can feel like a never-ending battle. One minute you're matte, the next you're glowing, for all the wrong reasons. But guess what? You don't need harsh chemicals to manage oily skin. With just a few natural remedies and small changes to your routine, you can achieve the skin you've always wanted. Before we get into the remedies, here's a common mistake: overwashing your face. It might seem like washing your face multiple times a day will keep the oil away, but over-cleansing can actually make things worse. When you strip away too much oil, your skin goes into overdrive, producing even more oil. Let's break that cycle with natural solutions. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. It's a miracle worker for oily skin. It hydrates your skin without clogging pores and helps balance oil production. Use fresh aloe vera gel or a natural preservative-free option. Apply a thin layer after cleansing and watch your skin transform. Honey isn't just sweet, it's also a powerful antibacterial and balancing agent. Apply a thin layer of raw honey to your skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Honey helps control oil and prevent acne without leaving your skin feeling tight or dry. You'll be amazed at the results. Green tea isn't just for drinking. It's packed with antioxidants that calm your skin, reduce oil, and prevent breakouts. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and use it as a natural toner. It's gentle, refreshing, and so good for your skin. It might sound strange to apply oil to oily skin, but trust me, jojoba oil mimics your skin's natural sebum and helps regulate oil production. Just a drop or two is all you need for soft, non-greasy skin. Here are a few quick tips to make sure these remedies work for you. Stay hydrated. Drinking water flushes out toxins and reduces excess oil. Watch your diet. Greasy foods can trigger oily skin, so balance it with fresh fruits and veggies. Exfoliate weekly. Use a gentle, natural exfoliator like oatmeal to prevent clogged pores. Don't skip moisturizer. Even oily skin needs moisture. Just go for a lightweight, natural option. Are you ready to say goodbye to oily skin and welcome that natural glow? Try these remedies and see the difference for yourself. Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more natural skincare secrets. If you have your own tips for oily skin, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.
7, 6, 5,
Thanks so much for watching, beautiful people. Remember, skincare is all about progress, not perfection. Stick with it, trust the process, and your glow up is just around the corner. See you in the next video. Stay glowing, stay confident,